Hello peoples! Kamustang araw nyo? Ni super busy at ang mga peoples. Thank you Lord! Sa magandang araw. Sa walang kapagurang katawan. Thank you so much. So thankful and grateful as always for everything. Ako mga dogs. Kung saan ka pupunta, dun din sila. Today is Sunday. Off from work. Pero super busy sa bahay. Charan. Oy, Firefly, baka naman. Mas-sponsor si Firefly. Pang ano lang, pang merienda. Charat! Bye guys! Keep safe and God bless us all.